My name is Kerley, and I'm in the Mechanical Engineering Technology program here at Mitchell. It's basically preparing me to be an engineer, do a lot of math, CAD, different things like that. Pretty much the foundation for everything you need to either move on to another college or to either start to get a job or get an internship. I mean, you really just have such a solid foundation. This is a machine shop. This is for the computer integrated machining program, but as an engineer, I've kind of found my way over to this area. I could probably make something, using my skills that I've learned at Mitchell and have acquired over the years to design and build my own machine. So it's a lot cheaper than buying something. So. All instructors here at Mitchell have really helped to pretty much point me in the right direction. I came to Colin and was like, hey, I want to build this machine. Can I use the shop? And he said, sure. He said, it's here so you guys can learn and use it to its fullest. Really, they work you up to everything. You start in a class, you learn about everything. They should slowly introduce you to the machines themselves as time goes on, and eventually you're running CNC machines and making parts, making hammers. I think the next project is they're building an engine. And these machines are like how the world runs. They're what makes everything.
Here at Mitchell Community College Computer Integrated Machining, the opportunities are vast and wide. We teach machining in manual, CNC, hybrid. The machining program is basically the foundation of all manufacturing.
There's a lot here. There's a lot to offer.
They call me Colin Robinson at Mitchell Community College.
Everybody's here to help, so if you got a dream or a passion or a place you want to go, they're going to get you there no matter what it takes.
So you will not be alone. There's lots of help here.